The other day I went out walking in the rain again. I put my head down and I wondered where you were. I reached out my hand and laid it on the table scale, wondering about the time I've left and what'll be my fate. And then a whisper came into my ear, saying, dear, I'm close to you, and now I'm here. And I hold you close and hug you tight, and I look into your sparkling eyes and kiss you all night. All I ask of you is that you'll always stay, and with you by my side, the rain will always fade. The rain will always fade, baby. The rain will always fade away. Sweetest baby, take this pocket full of priceless gems. Hold them sacred like the way my fingers touch your skin. Watch them dangle through your soft blonde hair. Feel me open your soul and untuck the warm, calm ocean air. I'll move your feet up off the jagged rocks and give you the keys that unlock the locks. So open this gift that I sing to you. Caress my face, do anything that you wanna do.